Hey puppies. Hey Dixie Puppies. Hey Dixie Puppies. What do we got here? Oh, who is that? Pink? Yeah, she's going right at it. Hey Red, what are you chewing on over there? Who's that? I think that's Camo and Pink. Big girl and big boy. Purple, trying to find a bird. Orange. Oh, I got one more bird. Here, Purple. There's your bird. And what do you got? That's not a bird. Are you hiding over here with a bird by yourself, Orange? Huh? He's like, he took my bird. Oh, and Purple's trying to hide over here with her bird. Yeah. We got birds. We got birds. High stepping. Red and black is high steps. Orange and pink fighting. Oh, that's pink and black, not red and black. Party color. Alright guys, that's all.